Creating models and sketches is largely about executing a strategic modeling procedure. There are often several ways to model the same geometry, depending on approach. In this exercise, I will go through just one of those ways to create this sketch. I'll create the sketch on one of the default planes. The first instruction shows two sketch entities I need to create, a circle and a rectangle, which are spaced a bit apart. I could start by sketching either entity, making sure the first entity is connected to the origin. I'll start with the circle, and use a center diameter circle to sketch it centered on the origin. Then I'll use the two-point rectangle tool to create the base, located below the circle. Next, I want to connect these two sketch entities together with a few lines. I'll activate the line command and connect the left side with a single line from the left edge of the rectangle to the circle. On the right side, I'll start with a slanted line up and to the left, then a horizontal line for the top of the main iron, making sure it doesn't connect to the circle quite yet. Now, I'll auto-transition to the arc command and make the arc coincident to the circle. With that, the body of the iron is created. Next, I'll use the spline command to draw the handle. As I draw the spline, I need to keep in mind the whole shape I want to end up with, since the entire spline will adjust as I add more spline points. If needed, these points can be moved around and the tangent lines adjusted to create approximately the same shape. All that is left is to add the smaller center circle concentric to the first circle I made. I'll use the center diameter circle again to sketch the circle, and the sketch is complete.